General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
Okay, let's get the work done. Wednesday the 27th. Days. It was more of a manipulation day. Not engaged. Confidence level was medium. We had the conditions confirmed. Price delivery seen. Time theory. And I'm thinking Wednesday could be the high for this week. The expansion is playing out, but we didn't have no follow through. So go through the charts. It's the 15-minute. We hit the uncharted territory. Fib on the 4-hour. Transposed to the 15-minute. Got this nice reaction here. It melted right before the open. But we got this liquidity, which is lunch. We didn't get AM liquidity or retrace. H1, we didn't go to OTE either. We kind of accepted this Monday high and got back over this 30,000. On the daily though, still above 30,000, but it's a long wick to both sides really. And look at SPX. See, we took the high here, sold off and then took the low, but we didn't close below it. And we had the S&T yesterday. All this is just a range. It's like the moment you realize it's either a seek and destroy week or a consolidation with a Thursday expansion. Here on the hour chart, just mess. This is like equal lows. Now we got like equal highs. Then on the daily, still week 5, we still need the wick for the monthly candle. And it's week 5. We usually don't have 5 weeks, so we don't expect pretty price action just by the cycle of the month and how the monthly candle is formed. Open, high, low, close. And look at SPY. SPY was a doji, back-to-back doji days. Took this low, which is good. It should be good enough to go up since we took sell side, you think. And then here on the daily, we came back to yesterday's closing price. So basically just a rebalance day. Opened higher than we closed. And then NVIDIA pushed lower, but we didn't close below it. So, and we hit this weekly down candle. So it's like rebalance complete. Everything's rebalanced. So now we get to really pick a side. Just the engagement. Got a sell here. This got out BE. Then I took a buy. Yeah, took the sale here, got out here. Then I took the buy here, and then it took me out because I bought this candle. Then it came real, real, real low. Then I was like, okay, I'm gonna sell down here to target the lows. And it stopped me out here on this gap. That was it for the day. 3 execution, 2022 model sale, then the buy, the inversion, then the sell after we rejected. Followed the plan, did good, managed the risk. Framework play out? No, we was looking for more downside for my targets. What do we learn about pattern narrative? I'm defeating impatience. It's just you want to keep shooting, but you got to stick to your plan, especially when you're in these props. So it forces you to be patient. What will I watch for tomorrow? Continuation, sales, target inefficiencies. Then here, I did the midweek too. And I upload. I need to upload the link to the Telegram so you can see the actual site. But I think Wednesday's the anchor. I do. I think we don't go no higher. I'm bearish. Just doesn't look bullish, especially with all the SMT. Any shifts in framework hit weight. Not too many trading opportunities this week, really. No case studies. Week 5, I kind of talked about that. SMT at the highs. It's not bullish. Yeah, it's been a high probability decision. We've been picking our shots nicely and only taking setups. Not, I think it's going down. So narrative accuracy is messy, but we navigating it well. Experience success. Experience is shortening up daily, creating habits that improve performance, and no case studies. So that's the overview of the work. Y'all have a good day. Peace.